Hello guys, Mr. Wahido Haque here, back with another video. Today I'm here with Labib. Alright guys, we're here today with Labib. This is his new car. It's a Vauxhall Astra 1.4 SXi. That badge is wrong, I don't know why. So this is the car itself. Let's have a look at it. As you can see, it's pretty good condition. Got decent price on it. This is the back of it. As you can see, it's already blacked out a bit. We got VXR badge on, but it's not VXR. He might take that off, he said.
Fraud. I'm taking it off.
He's going to take that off, he said. The front one is blacked out as well. And so is the grille. But there's still some stuff to be done. Right. The calipers are red at the moment. But there's one on the back that's not done. So we're going to repaint that. We're going to repaint them all. Just because it's faded a bit. I'm probably going to change the alloys. We've got a cover coming for that very soon, so that'll be done as well. What else needs doing, Labib?
The windows have already been tinted.
They've been half tinted, yeah.
Sorry, man, to do that. This Vauxhall logo is obviously already black, so what I'm planning on doing is debadging the Astra and this VXR, and then dechroming this and making that black.
I'll make that black.
I'm gonna get the whole car repainted black again, because obviously you can see little scratches here and there.
Scratched everywhere.
So
a polish might be able to get that, or wax and polish.
polish, I might just get it repainted, because obviously one of my mates' dad said he'll get it all repainted.
So the rear headlights we're gonna tint with the black spray paint today.
Yeah.
So you'll see a video soon on that.
Windows
It's got wind deflectors already on it.
These are blue / green kind of colour. So if I take that tint off, I'm probably tint it a bit black, not too much though. These indicator lights on this side and that side will be changed, so that's the swiping.
So just like an effect.
Yeah, so
LED effect.
This is already matte black for me. So
We're gonna order a new splitter because that's cracked.
yeah.
Front size is, yeah, we'll just change the bumper out as well. Yeah, we'll change the whole bumper out. It's got fog lights already, which is quite good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to change the alloys. Let's have a look inside. We're popping open the bonnet, so you can have a look underneath. We've cleaned it out. So this one is a gas strut, so it holds itself up, which is very good. It's got no soundproofing at all, so that engine will be loud. Alright guys, there's your air intake. Goes down, straight down. There's your engine there. It's very dirty still, even though we cleaned it. It's a bit dirty still, but who cares? It's better than nothing. Better than how we came. And there's your battery there. Coolant. Where's that? Oh, it's gone from the top. That's alright.
So the only thing that's going to be getting changed in terms of under the bonnet is just
probably going to get a new air filter on it.
Yeah, it's going to get an air cone filter. So if you check videos on YouTube, you'll see
Induction kit.
what that does in terms of the noise and everything as well.
What's down here? That's your that might be your fuse box, I think. Your fuse box, yeah.
Yeah, that's just under the bonnet.
Right, we're going to start the car for you. We'll show you the interior and then start the car for you. Alright. This is a 3-door car, by the way. Oh, well, that's very long. Okay. So, leg room, there's loads. For the back, not so much. But that's how 3-door cars work. You got a cup holder there. Handbrake. There's your manual gearbox. Gear knob, I mean. Just a random holder there. What does that do? Nothing. It's just 12 volts. Yeah. It's a cover for that. Yeah. It's not very flush with the body, but it is what it is. That's been blacked out there already. There's your screen.
So with this,
it
had that type of effect. And it was obviously scratched off a little, so I decided to scratch it off.
We've got a aftermarket JVC in, but he might go back to the standard one, he said, because he wants the time and date on that proper. So yeah, inside is pretty good, and we did clean it out a bit. Here's the glove box.
The clutch, the brake, and the accelerator,
got the pedals.
That's been changed for me as well.
Alright, let's do a start up of the car.
Where's my keys? That out. Oh, the thing so just a decent, just your box standard style.
With Astras, if your engine light doesn't come on before you start the car, then it's been wiped out. They've burnt out the LED. That's something that you should look out for if you're buying an Astra ever. So this one isn't like that, so that's good. So yeah, interior wise, what we're going to do, Do you want to get LED lights underneath everywhere?
So interior wise, looking at changing the gear now because you can see it's a bit scratched just there.
Yeah.
Just debating on this at the moment, not very sure. I will be getting LED strips all done. These lights
These are getting changed
same as
to LED
wheels.
ones.
Get them changed. I think
Same with the back ones.
It's either looking at getting them white or probably red.
Or colour changing, he said.
Yeah, colour changing ones.
Up to him. He might be changing his speakers out, he's not sure about that either.
Yeah, that'll
depends.
be quite a big move.
We'll see all that soon. And there's a few other cars that we've got. I'll show you them in a second. Then they've got some in the garage as well, like the Seat Leon, the other cars. SVR, there's like 2 videos on that, you'll see that soon as well. Yeah, as you can tell, the date's wrong. This was recorded very long time ago.
But yeah, that's one of the main things that I'm on about, because obviously the time, obviously just saying the right one, is it? It's not 9:40 here. At the moment it's 4:01, so
yeah.
That time's wrong. So it would be something that, if I am looking to change that time, because obviously that's something that's pissing me off, probably just get the other one changed in, change the time, date, put this one back in. But obviously that's something that I would look into further down the line.
Alright, give it 1 rev, just 1 rev, not too loud. You can have a hear what it sounds like. That sounds pretty good. This is a 1.4 88 horsepower, so it's not bad, to be honest. It's got more than the Polo that we have, the other Polo that you see on my channel, and Skoda, I think, that you see on my channel, the old one. So yeah, it's not that bad. Alright guys, we'll have a look around. I'll show you the other cars outside. See my ones there as well.
Oh yeah, these already have wind deflectors on for me as well.
Yeah, these are wind deflectors.
So they're already alright.
So enjoy the Astra videos very soon. So as you can see, we got Jaguar, Audi S3, and you got my car there, my daily runner car. So these are all the cars, and then I've got some in the garage as well, so we'll be seeing them soon as well. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and his channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye, and stay tuned and subscribe. Okay.